So we're going to understand, in this lesson, we're going to understand how to do angles, or how to understand the language of angles. So when you're first starting to understand angles, the first thing you want to know is you want to have an action plan or a starting plan, and that's understanding the word methodically. So when you take the ACT, you kind of want to know the language, the vocab, and how to write angles. We're going to go through this step by step, and the middle point, the vertex is the middle point of the angle. So in this angle, this is the right angle here when we keep going, but the right angle, the vertex of this angle would be B. And you can write it as angle ABC or angle CBA. And you know that because B is always the middle point. And for this angle, this is the right angle, it's always 90 degrees, and you can understand and identify that with a box here on the left-hand corner. And if you wanted to write this angle, again, it would be angle ABC or angle CBA. And understanding that, you know where the vertex is the middle point. This is an obtuse angle, which is greater than 90 degrees. And for this point, you have points L, M, N. So again, angle would be L, M, N, or angle N, M, L. You just circle those, you understand where those are. The straight angle is a line, or is an angle of 180 degrees. You understand that because it's just a straight line. And you can write this angle as X, Y, Z, or angle Z, Y, X. Then acute angle is an angle less than 90 degrees. So for this, you would write the language as CDF, angle CDF, or angle FTC. You understand that way. And this symbol here, perpendicular symbol, is very important to know the ACT. And you can understand what perpendicular when it says, first understanding what perpendicular means. So if you have perpendicular lines, there are lines that cross each other, and they'll always make a 90-degree angle. So you know that is 90 degrees. Parallel lines are like this, and they never cross each other. Perpendicular lines will cross each other. So you understand that by having all these sides will equal 90. All these sides have 90-degree angles. And that's probably why you have it like that, because it's a box. Manipulating angles and understanding what to do if there's another line in a line in your angle. And also we're going to talk about congruent angles and intersecting lines. So in this angle we have angle LKN. So LKN, or reverse NKL. We also have another line which gives us another angle, which is LKW, and that's 40 degrees, or WKL. And then we have another additional angle here, which is 25 degrees, which is WKN. If you add these two, 40 plus 25 equals 65, which is an acute angle. know acute is less than 90 degrees, which is less than a right angle also, which is basically just different terminology. And here we have an angle of 140, and this is, let me write this right, obtuse. And obtuse, as we know, it's an angle more than, greater than 100 and, is an angle greater than 90 degrees. And this is angle DEF, from here to here. But, or FED, but if we put a bisecting line here in the middle, this breaks it up to DF, let's put G. So, this is 70 degrees, and then this is 70 degrees, because 70 plus 70 is 140. And then this would be from here to here, angle DEG, angle 70, reverse, GED, and exactly the same thing on this side. Then we're going to talk about intersecting lines or congruent angles. So if we had this angle is BEA or AEB, let's write this down so it can be kind of confusing. AEB or BEA, that's 50. So you know CED is also 50. And then if we do AED, we know that's 130 because 150 minus 180 is 130, and this is 130 as well. These are two straight lines, or two straight angles, I'm sorry.